Hey you guys, so we're back with another video taking you guys with me in my trading journey, right? So I've been trading since October of last year, 2025. So when I first started trading, live trading, I was trading Euro USD and GBP JPY. Yeah. I was mainly trading trend line bounces, learning the structure and just getting in the rhythm of trading. But as I grew, I realized not every strategy works well in every market. And once I focus more just like on supply and demand, which is the strategy that I use now, Euro USD just didn't click anymore with me. So here's a setup that I took back in November, and I'm explaining in just a minute, but I also feel like Euro is just structured mainly for like trend line bounces and not so much of like supply and demand. Supply and demand sticks better with me, and I feel like it just supports gold. Like it's just so easy for me to spot like breaks, retest, liquidity grabs, which that would be another video, going into supply and demand and liquidity grab. That is my strategy. So here is a trade. Again, I took in November. As you see, here is the resistance, right? So it bounced off the resistance, and then it formed a bearish engulfing candle. So my initial input would be, hey, it's gonna go in a downtrend, right? It's giving me that pattern. It's giving me that, I don't know what it's giving me. But it's giving me that indication that it's going to go in a downtrend, right? But obviously, as you see, it retraced and it reversed on me and went back up. So, yeah, I lost the trade, and it's okay. I'm going to show you guys my winning trades and my losing trades as well, because being in this, in the trading game, you're not going to win every trade, and that just comes with it. So yeah, so you find what works best for you and you just rinse and repeat. That's the game, really. Like, don't try to just overdo it. Like, again, as you see, this was a losing trade. It hit the resistance. It came bounced down, then it went back up in an uptrend, and then it crossed over. It broke my resistance and went up some more. But yeah, other than that, this is a little short video I wanted to just, give you guys, and bye.